Hey guys, call me playing with my Vortech. Speaking of Vortech, we actually have a Vortech tuner kit for you. What's it for again?
A 15 and newer 6.
15 and newer 6.4 Challenger. So this kit normally retails with installation and tuning right around $99.95, but we're letting this kit go with installation and tuning for $29.95. That's turnkey, installed, tuned, out the door, ready to go.
This is madness!
Alright guys, so we're specifically looking for a 15 to 18 6.4 Challenger, and it's got to be mostly stock. Can't have long tube headers, can't have engine modifications like heads or cam, anything like that. So if you think you qualify for this opportunity, shoot me an email, sales@highhorseperformance.com. Maybe you're an NMCA or Modern Street Hemi Shootout racer. Maybe you've got a lot of YouTube or Instagram followers, or maybe you're just a really nice guy or gal. Aww. So go ahead and shoot us that email, sales@highhorseperformance.com, and we'll take a look. Now, if you'll excuse me. Bam, bam.